Hi everyone, I am Ofalango and welcome you all in Grammar in Detail. If you are new and not subscribed the channel, so subscribe the channel and press the bell icon to get some more videos about grammar. Today we have got the next kind, that is known as the fourth kind, emphatic interrogative pronouns of definite pronoun. So let's begin. What are the emphatic interrogative pronouns? Those pronouns which are used at the beginning of interrogative sentences for asking questions and show emphasis or stress are called emphatic interrogative pronouns. See, those pronouns which are used at the beginning of interrogative sentences, as we discussed it in previous lecture, that those pronouns which are used at the beginning of interrogative sentences for asking questions are called interrogative pronouns. Today we have one thing added, that is known as emphatic. So the definition will be same, just one thing will be added: for asking questions and to show emphasis or stress. Only this will be added just because of emphatic, that is known as emphasis or stress. So those pronouns which are used at the beginning of interrogative sentences for asking questions to show emphasis or stress are called emphatic interrogative pronouns. They are four in number: whoever, whomever, whichever and whatever. You will have the same usages: who, whom, which and what. Only one thing you will remove, that is whose, and that will not be used. After that you have to use just ever with them to show emphasis or stress. Their meaning will be the same, that is known as emphatic and the emphatic interrogative pronouns. Now the first example we have got: whoever is he. It is equal to the same, who is he, who is he, whoever is he. So just it is to show emphasis or stress. Whoever is he, who is he. This is the simple way. Whoever is he, that is showing emphasis or stress. Second one, whomever had they beaten. And if you make this, the first one, whom had they beaten, whom had they beaten. This is the first and the simple one, which is not showing emphasis or stress. Just put ever with it to show emphasis or stress. Whomever had they beaten, whom had they beaten. This is the simple one, and that this one will show emphasis or stress and angerness. And in the same way, next one we have got whichever is your bag. Now this is to show emphasis or stress. Whichever is your bag, to show emphasis or stress. If I say which is your bag, that is the simple one, which is your bag. Now here to show emphasis or stress, whichever is your bag, that is known as showing emphasis or stress. Next we have got the last one, whatever is his name. What is his name? That is the simple one. What is his name? What is his name? And if you just put ever with it, whatever is his name, to show emphasis or stress. And you can change them in all tenses, like whomever does he, whomever do they beat, whomever did they beat, whomever will they beat, whomever are they beating, whomever were they beating, whomever will they be beating, whomever have they beaten, whomever had they beaten, whomever will they have beaten, whomever have they been beating, whomever they had they been beating, and whomever will they have been beating. So you can use it in all tenses with the WH word: whoever, whomever, whichever and whatever. Hope you got the emphatic interrogative pronouns. Wish you best of luck. See you next time with next lecture. Goodbye.